Dear students, here is one of the activity, listening activity. You must listen and comprehend the conversation. Here is conversation between student and a magician. Later, I give you few questions based on this conversation. That's why you must listen carefully. Student: Hi, I am Chetan. Magician: Pleased to meet you. I am Jadugar Goga. Student: Oh, magician, what magic can you do? Magician: Within a second, I can make your lunch disappear. Student: Interesting. What else can you do? Magician: I can change this piece of paper into a 100-rupee note. Student: Fantastic. But how do you play these tricks? Magician: I hypnotize the people. I mean, I capture their attention. Student: Can you grow 100 kinds of mangoes on a single tree? Magician: Sorry, that I can't. Student: Can you make the seeds disappear from the fruits? Magician: I am helpless. I can't. Student: But there is one man who could do this. Magician: You mean Luther Burbank? Student: Yes, you are right. And he can do many more such things. Now, I give you 3 questions. One is, name any one trick which the magician says he can perform. Second one, usually, how does a magician play a trick? Third one, do you think the magician can grow many kinds of mangoes on a single tree? Dear students, look at this image. Yes, here one of the person is standing in his garden. Are you seeing? Yes. He is the Haji Kalimullah Khan. Haji Kalimullah Khan. Now we know more about Haji Kalimullah Khan. Students, here is one of the paragraph given in your textbook, page number 139. You go through your textbook. There one of the paragraph is given about Haji Kalimullah Khan, and also following some questions are given. You must go through those questions and answer for those questions through this paragraph. First you read this paragraph and later you answer the following questions. Now I read the paragraph. Listen. In the photo you see Haji Kalimullah Khan from Malahabad, UP. He was grown 300 different kinds of mangoes on a single tree. Recently, he won the Padma Shri Award for his, and he also finds his name in the Limca Book of Records. Limca Book of Records means it's one of the world records book. He talks so lovingly about his orchard and his trees as if he were talking about his own children. Khan's prized tree is about 100 years old. He has been growing different varieties of mangoes on it since 1987. Recently, he has developed 5 more new varieties of mangoes on the same tree. The craft developed by him has become a mystery for researchers and agriculturists alike. They are immensely surprised by his work. One of his precious creations is a tree in the Mughal garden at the Rashtrapati Bhavan, flowering 54 kinds of mangoes. The 10 feet tall tree was brought from his garden to Delhi in 1999 as a present to the President. Okay, following questions are here. What is Haji Kalimullah Khan's main achievement? Second question, How has the government recognized his achievement? Third question is, say which words are used to mean the following. Plum means an owl-shaped flesh fruit, usually purple or yellow when ripe. Desert cactus, thorn desert plant. Blackberry means a black flesh edible fruit. Breeder means producer of new and better kinds of animals and plants. Miracles means extraordinary event attributed to supernatural agency. Horticulture means the art of growing fruits, flowers and vegetables. Livestock means farm animals. Bring up means to rise. Devote means give over oneself to a particular purpose. Early rose potato means a variety of potato plant. Rich means fertile. Agitate means show indecision or uncertainty. Pursuit means the act of continuing or proceeding on a course of action. Friends, are you seeing this picture? Yes, this is the photo of the great plant breeder Luther Burbank. Now we know more about Luther Burbank. Luther Burbank is a well-known U.S. plant breeder. U.S. means United States. Influenced by Charles Darwin's writings on domesticated plants. He set up a nursery garden, greenhouse and experimental farms in St. Rose, California and worked miracles. This write-up describes how Luther Burbank achieved his ambition of growing and grafting varieties of fruits and vegetables. This information is collected from Britannica Encyclopedia. Now I read the lesson about Luther Burbank. What does the word call a man who turned a yellow flower into red, who made the seeds of plant disappear, who caused desert cactus to grow 1,000 times faster, who made a blackberry white and who grew 500 different kinds of cherries on one tree. Was he a master grinder, a skilled plant grower, a talented and patient breeder, or a miracle working magician? The man responsible for controlling nature in these and countless other ways has been awarded many titles, but essentially he was a simple, hard-working scientist named Luther Burbank. Though Luther Burbank is no more, the products of his genius continue to play a part in the day-to-day lives of people, thousands whose His genius continued to play a part in the day-to-day lives of people throughout the world. His influence prevails in the scientific community among those who work in the fields of agriculture, horticulture, forestry and livestock. His most important contribution, however, is a lovely flower that never existed before him. Also, he developed a fruit or vegetable, the taste of which was improved with his experiment. Burbank was born on March 7, 1849 and was brought up on a brought up on a farm in state of Manchester. He was attracted towards the wonders of nature and learned the techniques of growing various crops and plants during his early years. But when he read Darwin's variation of animals, the plants and the domestication, he decided to devote his life to grow new varieties of plants. When Burbank was 21 years old, he started market gardening. He was successful in selling his high quality vegetables that he grew on his farms. One of his experiments was he planted 29 seeds from the early rose potato plant. He produced a new variety of seed. It became very popular among the local farmers. Its superior quality came to be known throughout, and today this potato is called Idaho potato. It is grown on thousands of acres in northwestern US. Burbank found that the climate of his native place was not suitable for his work, and at the age of 26 he moved to the state of California, where the weather was mild and the soil was rich and varied. Burbank never hesitated in the pursuit of the goal he had set for himself. He carried on his experimental and original work on plants for more than half a century on St. Rose near the city of San Francisco. He described his new home as the chosen spot of all this earth as far as nature was concerned. Okay, dear students, we will continue the remaining part in the next period. Dear students, here listen and speak. In pronunciation class, listen and speak diphthongs. Diphthongs means more than one vowel sounds. More than one vowel sounds we are using for diphthongs. Ow, o, ow, o. Here, o, no, o, ow, pull, pull. Low, down, tall, tall. This is in these words we are using ow, and ow, and ow. Two vowel sounds we are using here. This is called diphthongs. One of the diphthongs. No, ow, cloud, scout, loud, doubt, tone, tone. Okay. This is first we using the vowel sound a and later we using o. Here is another sound. So, low, vote, hope, close, snow, show, go. Here we using pronounce first the sound is mo and later out. Oh, like that. So, low, boat, hope, close, snow, show, cold. Like that here we using pronunciation like that. Oh, like that. These are the pronunciation. Listen and speak. Okay, children? Are you identify the difference between these sounds and these sounds? Okay. Students, now we go through the lesson that Luther Burbank. Luther Burbank. Who was this Luther Burbank? He was well known, means famous US plant breeder. Luther Burbank is a well known US plant breeder, means United States plant breeder. Plant breeder means produce different types of plants, make that cropping. He was influenced by Charles Darwin's writings on domesticated plants. Yes, he influenced he influenced by the Charles Darwin's domesticated writings on domesticated plants means ಚಾರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಡಾರ್ವಿನ್ಸನ ಸಿದ್ಧಾಂತಗಳು ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರಿಂದ ಇವರು ಈ ಒಂದು ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಡೊಮೆಸ್ಟಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್. ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಎ ನರ್ಸರಿ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್. ಎಸ್, ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಪ್ means he created nursery garden and greenhouse and experimental farms in St. Rose. St. Rose is name of the place near California. And worked miracles. He worked miracles means that is very wonderful works. Wonderful works we call miracles means supernatural works means supernatural works we are called wonder miracles. ಅಂದರೆ ಪವಾಡಗಳು ಅಂತಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಪವಾಡಗಳು. supernatural works. This write-up describes how Luther Burbank achieved his ambition of growing and grafting varieties of fruits and vegetables. Here this lesson tells us about Luther Burbank, how he achieved, how he reached his goal, and his ambition. Ambition is great desire. Ambition is great desire. Ambition is great desire. Here, how he achieved, how he reached his goal, his great ambition of growing. Yes, his great ambition was growing and grafting varieties of fruits and vegetables. Yes, he want to grow varieties of vegetables and fruits. That was his aim. That was his ambition. So, how he reached his ambition? This lesson is described. This source we get from Britannica Encyclopedia. Source we get from Britannica Encyclopedia. We get the source or details about Luther Burbank from the Britannica Encyclopedia. Encyclopedia. We get source or details about Luther Burbank from Encyclopedia. All these gets information from the Encyclopedia. Encyclopedia means it is one of the book which get the information. We get the more information from this book. This book has contained according to alphabetical orders. How we get the meanings of the words from dictionary, like that we get the information from this book. This is number of books, not only one book. Encyclopedia is not only one book, it is number of books. In this book they are arranging the information in the alphabetical order. In the alphabetical order, we get many more information from this encyclopedia. Here, what we get the information from encyclopedia about Luther Burbank. What does the word call a man who turned a yellow flower into red? See here, this one of the man is turned the flower, yellow flower into red flower. What we can call him? Who made the seeds of plums disappear? Yes, he made that the seeds of that fruit, plum, is make disappear. Yes, we are getting nowadays seedless fruits. How we get? Yes, this is one of the gift from this Luther Burbank. Yes, he made disappear the seeds of the plums. Who caused desert cactus to grow 1,000 times faster? Yes, the cactus, the plant cactus is we see in the desert. Okay, that plant grows very long time. It grows very long time in the very little bit. It takes long time to grow up. So that's why he made that the grow faster, 1,000 times faster. Who made a blackberry white? Yes, the person who made the blackberry into white berry. Blackberry into white berry. Blackberry means is one type of fruit. It is one type of fruit. It is the blackberry is become white. He made that. He created that he made with the helping of crafting, and who grew 500 different kinds of cherries on one tree. Listen here, one plant can grow one variety of fruits, but here he made that 500 different kinds of cherry fruits. You are already seen that cherry fruits in the market, but here he made 500 kinds of varieties of cherries in one tree. In one tree. What we can call him? Was he a master gardener? Master gardener, a skilled plant grower, a talented and patient breeder, or a miracle working magician? Yes, whether we can call him as a magician. Magician means mantrika antar kariboda. He was a talented. Yes, he had a talent. Talent please, it is one of the skill. Talent means skill. And he had lot of patience to give varieties of fruits. He may conduct many experiments on plants. It takes time to grow and give the result. So that's why he must have lot of patience and skill. Plant grower. He was the master gardener. Master gardener. Yes, he was a very knowledgeable person about the gardening. Okay. The man responsible for controlling nature in these. Yes. But here man cannot control the nature. We are saying like that. But because nature is gifted from God. Now we are giving nature create ಮಾಡೋದು God. God is created the nature. But we can't control. ಮನುಷ್ಯನ control ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. But here the man is responsible. This man is responsible to control the nature. Yes, he is control the nature, and countless other ways he has been awarded many titles. Yes, he also get many titles as a award, prize. He had many prizes like the titles, but essentially he was a very simple person, simple man, hard working scientist. Yes, every achievement needs hard work. Every achievement needs hard work. He was hard working scientist named Luther Burbank. Who was the person? Luther Burbank, who was created number of miracles in planting. Number of miracles in the planting. Okay, we know more about him, how he achieved his aim. Though Luther Burbank is no more, okay, but nowadays he was no more, but even though that also the product of his genius continued to play a part in the day-to-day lives of people throughout the world. But his work, what he had done, what he had produced through the plants, using his genius, now still continue to play a part, play a activity in our day-to-day life throughout the world, not in only one country, throughout the world. We are using the different types of vegetables and fruits which are created or which are produced by this Luther Burbank. His influence prevails in the scientific community among those who work in the fields of agriculture. Yes, his influence means provokes him, prevails in the scientific community, prevails in the scientific speech, prevails means say, in the scientific community among those who work in the fields of agriculture. Yes, he is one of the scientists who work in the agriculture, field of agriculture, horticulture, forestry and livestock. Agriculture means farm. Agriculture means farm, growing or creating new plants. Make many studies about growing plants is called agriculture. Horticulture means the art of growing fruits, flowers and vegetables. Horticulture means growing varieties of flowers, fruits and flowers. Livestock means farm animals. Different animals he also farm means take care of different animals. He also conduct many experiments on the animals also. So here horticulture, forestry and livestock. Forestry means forest means make grow plants, many more plants, make many more plants to grow, and livestock is most important contribution. Yes, which one is most important contribution? However, is a lovely flower that never existed before him. Yes, he created a new lovely flower. Lovely flower. Also, he developed a fruit or vegetables, the taste of which was improved with his experiments. Yes, he developed many fruits or vegetables that tasty vegetables which was improvements with his experiments. He conducted many experiments as he improved many flowers and many vegetables. Burbank was born on March 7, 1849. Yes, he was born on March 7, 1849. Yes, he was brought up on a farm in the state of Massachusetts. Massachusetts is the name of the state where he grew up in the farm. He was in the farmer family. He was from the farmer family. He was attracted towards the wonders of nature. Yes, he seeing that nature, he become very attracted from the nature, from the wonders of the nature, which are the many wonderful things we see in the nature, but we are only observe what we are only see and enjoy, but not have many more interest in that, how they changed the wonderful things. But these scientists have a lot of interest in that nature, wonders of the nature, and learn the technique of growing various crops. Yes, he learned the techniques of the growing many varieties of crops. Crops means bele ante ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು, ಆಹಾರ, food grains, crops and plants during his early years. Early years means his childhood days. His early years, he grew many crops and plants. But when he read Darwin's work, that variation of animals and plants under domestication. Yes, he studied the book of Charles Darwin's book, Variation of Animals and Plants Under Domestication. He decided to devote his life. So he decided to devote his life to grow new varieties of plants. Then he decided, I deserve my life. Throughout my life, I grow new varieties of plants. So he decided like that. When Burbank was 21 years, only when he was 21 years, he started market gardening. Yes, market gardening. He was successful in selling the high quality vegetables that he grew on his farm. Yes, he became very successful that selling the high quality. Yes, every farmers are growing vegetables, but he grew the high quality vegetables and sell in the market. He became very successful. One of that type of experiment of his was that he planted 29 seeds from an early rose potato plant. Yes, he planted 29 seeds, varieties of seeds from the early rose potato plant. It is one type of the potato, one kind of potato. He produced a new variety of seeds. As he get new varieties of seeds from that plants, it became very popular among the local farmers. As he became very famous among the local farmers, those all are the local farmers all are taking the seeds and they are also started growing that new variety of vegetable. Its superior quality came to be known throughout and today. Yes, that gets the name of that superior quality, high quality product, high quality vegetable that get named like that throughout and today also that get the high quality vegetable. This potato is called, nowadays that potato get the name that Idaho potato. Idaho potato. It is grown on thousands of acres in northwestern US. Here, this Idaho potato is grown thousands of acres, thousands of acres land, means more number of farmers started growing that Idaho potato in northwestern US. Northwestern ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ರೆ this is north, this is west. West is in this direction. In this direction they grow northwest direction of the United States. US means United States. There the farmers started growing the Idaho potato. Burbank found that the climate of his native place was not suitable for his work. Yes, now he had lot of problems that the climate, the weather is not supporting him to. His native place climate is not supporting him. That's why at the age of 26 he moved to state of California. So now he shift his place for state of California. California is one of the state in United States, where the weather was mild. Yes, the weather is very mild, means it's cool, it's soft. The weather of the California is very soft and soil was rich. The soil was very fertile. Soil was very fertile and varied. Varied means it's a different type of fertile soil is get there. Burbank never hesitated in the pursuit of the goal he had set for himself. Yes, he was never educated. He never get any education. Means he never think in the negative way. He never educated. Means he never get any fear about doing this work. Pursuit of the goal. If when he decided to reach that goal, he sacrificed everything. He dedicated his time, life for that. So that's why he never educated, he never get any fear about that, whether he may be failed. Whether he may be failed, he never get that type of fear. So that's why he pursued his goal, he had set for himself. If he set for himself, his mind setting is very important. He ready to face everything, success or failure. Everything he ready to face. And he carried on his experimental works and original work on the plants for more than half a century. Yes, half a century means more than 50 years. More than 50 years he worked on the experiments on the plants. On St. Rose near the city of San Francisco. San Francisco city. Near the San Francisco city, there is one place, St. Rose. There he conducted number of experiments and spent his 50 years life there. He described his new home. Yes, he given the new name of his new home that the chosen spot of all this work as far as nature was considered. Yes, he given the name to that new worm, his new form, that the chosen spot. The chosen spot. He given the name that the chosen spot. Chosen spot. He given the name for his worm and his form, that the chosen spot means that is selected from him for growing varieties of plants or conducting many experiments. So that the weather of that place is very good for his experiment. He decided like that. So he given the name that the chosen spot. Children, the student here, the scientist, how he conducted many experiments on his plants. How he get interest on this planting. So here we discussed about this. Continuation what we will discuss in the next class.